Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2010 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive, stock number B8679PA. 78,000 miles in this local trade. We sold this Traverse brand new, silver ice metallic in color. Traverse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7 with a cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers with additional underfloor storage. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, powered driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, temperature and compass display in the dash, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the center console, large glove box with the owner's manual inside, and even more storage in the upper dash. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6 liter V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 40% tire tread left. For more information about this Traverse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.